Premier Auto Parts and Paint.
Is this Premier Auto Parts and Paint?
Yeah, that's what I said.
How late are you open?
Today?
Yeah, today.
Till 6. Same as every day.
Okay, well, thanks.
Yeah, bye.
Wow, we know that's not exactly how you greet the customer over the phone. To give a professional phone greeting, it does not require a long, drawn-out affair. It should just include 3 core components that you use on a very consistent basis. Number 1, it should have an opening greeting. Thank you for calling. Number 2, your company name. Number 3, your name. So for example, thank you for calling Premier Auto Parts and Paint. This is Brett. Over the years, we have developed a very rushed society, and this certainly applies to customer service. In many cases, bad habits have been created where people in customer service roles are answering the phones and dealing with the customers in a very, very rushed manner. Think about how you've been treated. It really doesn't take much longer to answer the phone clearly and at a professional pace, even when things are busy. Let's see how Brett does in this next scene.
Thank you for calling Premier Auto Parts and Paint. This is Brett.
How late are you open today?
Oh, well, we are open 8 to 6, Monday through Friday, and 9 to 5 on Saturday. Is there anything else I could help you with today?
Yeah, this is Jill Jennings. You helped me with my spark plugs last week. I need to come in and get some more parts, and I just wanted to check your hours.
Yeah, that was me, Mrs. Jennings. I'd be happy to help you when you come back in.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks for calling.
Now you see how Brett goes out of his way to make the customer feel at ease. We also see how he answered the phone in a friendly, clear, and concise manner and with a professional tone that wasn't rushed. And he set the conversation off in the right direction. Nice work, Brett.